Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Willie, and I'm doing a little voice narration today. This is from a ride when I was going up into the mountains up through Saratoga and up to Skyline and Highway 9, and ran across this accident. It passed me through here, and there are three, looks like brand new, pretty new Porsche Carreras that were all in this wreck. And I think you have to watch out when you're riding up in the mountains. Watch out for cars. There's some fast cars that like to speed up there, and sometimes they lose it coming around the corners. I took a pit stop here, and then I wound up riding into Boulder Creek after this, and probably I was gone for a good, 40 minutes to an hour after I took this break. And then I rode back, and the accident scene was still here. There's a Porsche that's going to be on the right that looks like it probably ran into the wall. There's one Porsche there earlier involved in a wreck that's gone, and then there's a third one that is still there. And I guess these guys from the Vista Point people, they knew about the accident, and these guys may have all known each other. Basically, they all seemed like they had pretty new Porsches here. This one on the right took it pretty bad. One on the left, I can't really tell, but it could have damage on the other side of the car. So a lot of sports cars go up into the hills, into the mountains, and sometimes people lose it around the corners on this road. I've seen a couple wrecks. So stay safe out there.